Coffee tables are an essential part of any living room, but what sets a coffee table with storage apart from the rest is its added functionality. It not only serves as a place to put your drinks and snacks, but also provides extra space to store books, magazines, and other items. When it comes to purchasing a coffee table with storage, there are a few critical things to consider. The first is the size and shape of the table. You want to make sure it fits comfortably in your living room and complements your existing furniture. The second is the type of storage it offers. Some tables have drawers, while others have shelves or a combination of both. The third is the material of the table, which can range from wood to metal to glass. After researching and testing various coffee tables with storage, we have narrowed down the options to the top 5 best coffee tables with storage on the market. Whether you're looking for a traditional wooden table or a modern glass one, we have found options to suit every style and budget. There are numerous options for cheap coffee table with storage, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable coffee table with storage from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Wystfield Farmhouse Square Storage Coffee Table with Hinged Lift Top, Distressed White. If you're looking for a stylish coffee table with ample storage space, the signature design by Wystfield Farmhouse Square Storage Coffee Table is definitely worth considering. Pros. The table is handsomely crafted with a distressed finish and metal bracket hardware, giving it a rustic appeal that's perfect for farmhouse-style homes. With its spacious surface measuring 36W x 36D x 18H, this coffee table is perfect for both small and large living room spaces. The two-sided hinged lift top with stay arms provides easy access to the table's expansive storage space, which can hold everything from sculptures to decorative trays to flower vases. Cons. Assembly is required, but the easy-to-follow instructions, hardware, and tools are included. The price may be a bit hefty for some buyers, but the quality of the table justifies the cost. The color may not be exactly as described, with some buyers noting that it's more of a dark gray than a gray-brown. We recently purchased the signature design by Wystfield Farmhouse Square Storage Coffee Table for our living room, and we're very happy with our decision. The table is beautifully crafted with a distressed finish, giving it a rustic charm that perfectly complements our farmhouse-style decor. One of the things we love most about this coffee table is its spacious surface, which is perfect for holding everything from books and magazines to remote controls and coasters. And with its two-sided hinged lift top, accessing the table's expansive storage space is a breeze. We've used it to store extra blankets, pillows, and even board games. Assembly was easy and straightforward, with the included instructions, hardware, and tools making the process a breeze. And while the price may be a bit steep for some buyers, we feel that the quality of the table justifies the cost. Overall, we highly recommend the signature design by Wystfield Farmhouse Square Storage Coffee Table to anyone looking for a stylish and functional coffee table with ample storage space. Number 2. Yaheetech Lift Top Coffee Table. If you're looking for a coffee table that can double as a workspace or dining surface, the Yaheetech Lift Top Coffee Table is a great option. With its heavy-duty metal mechanism, you can effortlessly elevate the tabletop to a comfortable height while you're sitting on the sofa. Plus, the hidden storage compartment beneath the top keeps your everyday items handy and dirt-free. Pros. The lift top design makes it easy to reach your laptop or snacks without having to lean forward. The spacious open shelf holds storage blankets, books, and knickknacks just fine. The solid construction and selected materials make this coffee table sturdy and wobble-free. Cons. The assembly instructions are pictures only, which can make it difficult to put together. The lift mechanism can be a bit stiff at first, but it loosens up with use. The table is on the smaller side, so it may not be ideal for larger living rooms. We were impressed with the Yaheetech Lift Top Coffee Table's versatility and functionality. It's perfect for small spaces like apartments, dorms, and dens, and it serves as a temporary dining table or a computer desk with an elevated floating tabletop. Overall, we would recommend this coffee table to anyone looking for a space-saving piece of furniture that doesn't sacrifice style or quality. Number 3. WLIVE Lift Top Coffee Table. If you're looking for a stylish and functional coffee table, the WLIVE Lift Top Coffee Table is worth considering. Pros. The lift top design is perfect for working or dining while sitting on the sofa. Soft close mechanism ensures that the tabletop can be lifted up or lowered down effortlessly and noiselessly. The spacious hidden compartment and extra drawer provide ample storage space for living room essentials. Cons. The assembly process can be time-consuming. The drawer doesn't face towards the user. The drawer bottom is made of flimsy plastic. We found the WLIVE lift top coffee table to be a great addition to our living room. The grayish color and modern design complemented our decor perfectly. The lift top feature is a game changer, making it easy to work or eat while sitting on the sofa. The soft close design ensures that the mechanism works quietly and smoothly without disturbing anyone else in the room. Assembly took us a few hours, but the instructions were easy to follow and all the tools we needed were included. However, the drawer doesn't face towards the user, which can be a little inconvenient. Additionally, the drawer bottom is made of flimsy plastic, which seems like a minor flaw in an otherwise well-built coffee table. Overall, we highly recommend the WLIVE lift top coffee table for anyone looking for a stylish and functional coffee table with ample storage space. Number 4. Yaheetech Coffee Table. If you're looking for a coffee table that can double as a dining table and has ample storage space, the Yaheetech Coffee Table is an excellent choice. Pros. The lift top design allows you to easily transform the coffee table into a dining table, making it a versatile addition to your living space. The hidden compartment and 3 bottom open cubbies provide ample storage space for your everyday items and living room essentials, keeping your tabletop neat and spacious. The coffee table is easy to assemble with all necessary hardware and an illustrated instruction manual included in the package. Cons. The table's height may not be suitable for all users, especially those who are taller or have mobility issues. Some users reported that the table's construction is not as sturdy as they would like, and the lift top mechanism may malfunction over time. The table's retro style may not fit in with all home decor styles. We found the Yaheetech coffee table to be a great addition to our living room. The lift top design is incredibly convenient, allowing us to easily switch between a coffee table and a dining table without having to move furniture around. The hidden compartment and open cubbies are perfect for storing our throw blankets, magazines, and other living room essentials. Assembly was a breeze, and we were able to put the table together in under an hour. The table's overall construction feels solid, and we haven't had any issues with the lift top mechanism so far. Overall, we think the Yaheetech coffee table is a great choice for those looking for a coffee table with versatile functionality and ample storage space. Number 5. WLIVE Modern Lift Top Coffee Table. We highly recommend the WLIVE Modern Lift Top Coffee Table for its versatile design and spacious storage options. Pros. The lift top design allows for easy conversion into a home office desk or dining table. The hidden compartment and open shelf provide ample storage space for various items. The soft close mechanism ensures a safe and gentle closing of the lid. Cons. The table may wobble slightly when raising and lowering the lid. The lid may be too heavy for the screws that secure it, causing it to become loose over time. The materials used are not the most durable and may show signs of wear after prolonged use. The WLIVE Modern Lift Top Coffee Table is a great addition to any living room or reception area. The lift top design makes it easy to transform the table into a workspace or dining table, while the hidden compartment and open shelf provide ample storage space for various items such as laptops, blankets, and pillows. The soft close mechanism ensures a safe and gentle closing of the lid, protecting the little fingers of children and providing a good user experience. However, the table may wobble slightly when raising and lowering the lid, and the lid may become loose over time due to the weight of the materials. The materials used are not the most durable and may show signs of wear after prolonged use. Despite these minor drawbacks, the WLIVE Modern Lift Top Coffee Table is a great value for its price and functionality. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.